Here at Kencove Farm Fence Supplies, we get asked a lot about advice on how to properly hang a gate. So today we are here at the fence school demonstration area to show you one of the easiest ways to properly get the job done. Today we are going to be hanging a 10-foot wire-filled gate that comes with its mounting hardware. Some of the tools that you will need for this project are tape measure, drill with 3/4 inch auger bit, level, chalk, hammer, 1 1/8" socket and ratchet, 1 1/8" combination wrench, 9/16" socket and ratchet, and some pieces of lumber for spacing. The first step you'll want to do is plumb a line down the center of your post where your hinge is going to be attached. Then you'll want to get your gate and go ahead and figure where you're going to want to locate your hinges. On this wire-filled gate, I want to come up and place the hinge between these two wires. So there's about 9.5 inches. Then I'm going to go up and I want to figure out where I'm putting this one at. And I'm going to put it right about 44 inches on the gate. So after measuring your gate and you have where your hinges need to be located, I have wooden spacers. I'm going to space the gate up 3 inches off the ground to give you clearance to swing. So I'm going to add 3 inches to each dimension from my gate. So the first place I'm going to mark is 12.5 inches. And then I'm going to go up, and I wanted that at 44, so I'm going to put this one at 47 inches. Where those two lines cross is where I'm going to go ahead and drill for my lag bolt. The next step would be to insert the hinge bolts. At this time with your hinge bolts, you just want to snugly tighten them because you can adjust them later. The bottom bolt, the pin faces up, the top faces down. This will secure your gate from either being taken or an animal bumping it off its pins. Now with those just snug, I'm going to go ahead and put my hinges on my gate. With the supplied hardware, the bottom one, I'm going to go ahead and measure up where I want it, and I'm going to securely tighten it. So the next step is to put the top hinge on. You do not want to secure this because it'll need move to attach it to the post. So now with the hinges on the gate, I grab my spacer boards and put on each side to help assist with mounting the gate. Next, I will take the gate and place it on the spacers. Now that we have the gate in the opening, I am going to go ahead and lift it up and insert the bottom pin. Just lift the gate up. You can kick your spacers out and place it on the pin. Now that the bottom one is in place, you can go and slide your top hinge onto the pin. Once you have it located, you now can secure the hinge. When securing this, you want to just go enough not to squeeze your tube. Now that the hinges are mounted, we can check the gate for movability. Now that we see the gate moves, we want to check it to be level. The gate does have to come up on this end slightly. To make that adjustment, we can do that in our bolts that go through the posts. To bring up the latch side of your gate, you can loosen this nut and tighten this nut, which will draw your top half up. You could also do the same if you need to go the other way with your bottom bolt. You can loosen and tighten each side to make your gate level. So to make this adjustment, I needed to go to the top one. I'm going to loosen it a few turns, and then I'm going to go to the back side and tighten. Once you have it tightened, then you can go back and check your gate for level. It is level. Okay, now that your gate's level, you can go back and tighten your bolts. To secure the other side of the gate, this gate comes with a chain latch. Slip the chain into the latch, wrap your chain around the post, hook it, and your gate's secure. For more fencing tips and expert advice, call Kencove at 1-800-KENCOVE or visit us at kencove.com. Thank you.